Hi, this is the unboxing of the worst earbuds I ever purchased. I made the mistake to purchase these earbuds on Amazon, and I returned them a couple of days later. They were described as earbuds with new upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology and effortless pairing. These wireless headphones have the latest chip that ensures the solid connection for fast transmission. These wireless earbuds would instant paired once taken out from the charging case and auto connects with the last paired device. Also, they claimed that these earbuds have powerful compatibility and smart touch control. YHVS wireless Bluetooth earbuds are compatible with various Bluetooth devices, including smartphones and laptops. Featuring responsive touch sensors, you can control playback, pause, answer calls, adjust volume, and more with simple gestures, making it easy to enjoy music while running, reading, or working. They also claimed that they last for 48 hours and faster charge. The range and responsiveness of the wireless headset is dramatically improved, allowing up to 8 hours of use on just one charge, and the charging case can support up to 48 hours of use, all day long. They also claimed that they have hi-fi stereo deep bass and noise cancelling. The wireless headphones adopts 13mm dynamic drivers with high-resolution decoder technology for powerful sound with 43% more bass. The noise-canceling headphones equipped with noise reduction technology and 4 microphone to filter out environmental noise, allowing you to enjoy crystal-clear calls, as if you are communicating face-to-face with others. Also, that they are in a sealed shell and are made from IPX8 waterproof polymer nano coating effectively protect the sports Bluetooth headset from rain and sweat, allowing you to exercise without fear and easily cope with sweat and rain. All I can say is that they are rubbish and that I returned them soon after I got them. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.